right, a power strip with USB ports unboxing. Special thanks to the company for sending this one my way. On this side of the box, just the colors and devices it'd be good for. Nothing on the bottom, back, and this side just has your input and output. Go ahead and open it up, see what's in here. Okay, that's it for the box. So, very nice. Got a little zip tie here on the power cable. This looks to be about a 3 or 4 foot power cable from as many, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So yeah, at least 36 inch to 48 inches of cable here. And then on the actual power strip, you have 3 USB ports. Nice little power button, that's always nice. And 3 full-size outlets. So it feels like some pretty nice plastic. Would be good for at a desk or under a desk where you have multiple items and maybe you want to plug in a iPhone charger and a Apple Watch charger and something else. You can use these instead of taking up these. Very cool. That should do it for this power strip with USB ports unboxing.